Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Skill 58. This skill is about proactive network management. Your goal is to shift from fixing things when they break to guarding them so they don't. We use tools like SNMP and dashboards to see the health of the network in real time. First, monitor. Use SNMP to track vital signs like CPU and bandwidth. Set alerts so you know about problems first. Second, configure. Avoid configuration drift by using standard templates for every device. Back up your configs daily so you can recover instantly from failure. Third, capacity. Use your data to predict the future. Ask, when will this link be full, and upgrade before it happens. Fourth, audit. Know exactly what devices and IP addresses are on your network using IPAM tools. You can't secure or manage what you don't know exists. For your portfolio, use this STARR example. Situation: we had no visibility of switch failures until users called. Task: I needed to implement a monitoring system. Action: I demonstrated S58. I deployed an SNMP monitoring tool and set alerts for device outages. I also automated configuration backups. Result: our response time to outages improved by 50%. Reflection: I learned that proactive tools significantly reduce business downtime. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices just like you who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentoringai.com EPA Hub. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.